Hello class, for those who wanted to get know on star delta conversion, I put reminder as I was asked to redo previous being mirror capture. This is delta this, we call this delta and we want to convert it into star. So this is what we want to convert it into. The formula will be applicable only for capacitors. So what we have to do, we have to mark that to understand CA, CB, CC. This one. What will this one be? All the combinations which you do have. So CA, CB plus CB, CC plus CC, CA. This is what you write and divide by the opposite side, which is CC over here. This is what you do. This is for delta to star. Now we have from star to delta, let's say this is given to us, star is given to us, and we want to convert it to delta. Star is given to us, CA, CB, CC, and we want to convert to delta. What in this case we have to check? We have to check these two other ones which we want to get. Right, I want to get this one. So if I want to get this one, I have to see which two are informing it, which two are flanking it. So CA, CB, they are flanking it, right? And we divide it by combination, CA plus CB plus CC. It comes very handy in questions of these kind. Right? If you are able to identify star, easy for us to solve these questions. See, this is basically what was delta was. This is delta to us. If we can convert it into star, we can do it this way, and the middle one goes, we get the circuit simplified. So this was for the seniors, P2, P1 will not be left, right? P1 should also get something interesting and something for them, which AI is not helping us at this point in time. Maybe after this execution, they start helping. V naught is given to you, theta is given to you, it will ask what is the minimum speed for the particle to this surmount. Many other, these are the ancillary, they are also asking for range. The misconception over here, student will assume that for it just to surmount particles to touch the topmost position, we are not going with that narrative. If that is true, we'll get theta equal to 0, right? If that is true, we'll get theta equal to 0. For now, we are not assuming it to be so, that will be a specific case. Let's say theta is 0, we'll go ahead. So it touches over here, for me where it touches, this point is where it touches, what is the distance then? The distance will be R plus R cos theta, R plus R cos theta, right? What is kinetic energy over here? Half m v naught square. What is potential energy? Let's say 0, then take this as 0 potential. This should be equal to 1 to us. Now over here, the potential energy, kinetic energy, half m v prime square plus m g r into 1 plus cos theta. That's what we are getting. This one equation with us, the other equation, I hope it is not freezing, yeah. The other equation, as you can see from here, will be this point when it comes, we have assumed the speed to be, let me show. This point when it comes, it will not be this high, okay, it will be more than that. Okay, you do understand. But it will have shown that. Okay, cos theta, it will make it 14. So this is cos theta. This point we have what speed? We have v prime speed. So what we can say? This theta, this 90 minus theta, this will be theta, and this is going to be the range. This is going to be the range of the particle. So v prime square sine 2 theta by g is equal to what to us? Now this will be r sine theta, this will be r sine theta. So 2r sine of the angle theta, right? V prime square sine 2 theta, 2r sine of the angle theta. V prime square 2 sine theta cos theta by g is equal to what to us? 2r sine of the angle theta. This is my second equation, and first equation from there is half m v naught square is equal to half m v prime square plus m g r 1 plus cos of the angle theta. This is my first equation, theta. From these two equations, those who don't want to use an energy equation, if you are in projectile motion, you don't want to use an energy equation, no issues. We can use it this way, that whatever be the angle there, that angle is theta, this is theta, take it. This angle is not, mind you, This angle, don't take theta, otherwise you get confused that they are same, they are not same. Take theta prime. Okay, I have not used that angle, you can see prime. We have not used that angle, we have used this theta. So this angle is not being used by us. When you place it, you can replace for v prime square over here. M will get cancelled, you will get v naught. V naught will get in terms of theta. And for speed to be maximum or minimum, dv naught by d theta should be equal to 0. When you expedite this, you get theta equal to 45 degree. Pi by 4. It certainly is indicative of the fact that it will not touch the topmost position for a speed to be minimum or maximum. Yes, minimum or maximum. You are aware of when you double differentiate what you are supposed to get. We generally don't do that in physics, but we get the same what we desire. This is an important question. Once you get the angle, you will be able to get everything which is ancillary which follows. Thank you, class. Thank you for indulging me. Thank you.